Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make your Power BI reports actually look like your reports, unique, on-brand, and easy for your audience to understand, today's video is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to customize every detail of your Power BI theme, but you'll also be able to save those settings as a JSON file for future use or easy sharing. Pretty cool, right? Let's dive right in. Before we get hands-on, it's important to understand what a theme is in Power BI. Think of a theme as the style guide for your report. It controls all the formatting, like which colors are used in charts, what fonts appear in your titles and labels, and even the background design. Power BI gives you several built-in themes, which is really handy if you just want a quick refresh. But if you're trying to match your business's branding, create an accessible layout, or just want a particular style, you can make your own custom theme as well. All of these themes are stored in a format called JSON, short for JavaScript Object Notation, which is basically a structured text file that Power BI can read and apply instantly. Alright, let's start by applying a built-in theme. Open up your Power BI desktop report and make sure you're on the page you want to style. Head over to the View tab and you'll see a section labeled Themes. Click on it and you'll get a list of options, everything from default to colorblind safe. Go ahead and pick one that catches your eye. For example, the colorblind safe theme is great if you want to ensure your report is accessible to everyone. The moment you select a theme, you'll see your charts, visuals, and background update automatically. It's like a mini makeover for your report, and it all happens in just a couple of clicks. Now, let's take it a step further by customizing the theme to match your own style. Still in the View tab, look for the option called Customize Current Theme. This brings up a menu of settings you can tweak, ranging from color palettes and backgrounds to title font styles to border and header designs for your visuals. Take your time here. Maybe you want your data colors to reflect your corporate palette, make your titles bold and eye-catching, or adjust the labels for clarity. Go through each option and adjust as needed. And if you're not sure what's best, try out a few variations. There's no penalty for experimenting. Once you like what you see, simply hit Apply. The changes will ripple across your entire report, keeping everything looking consistent and professional. Alright, here where things get even more powerful. After you've customized your theme exactly how you want, let's save it as a JSON file so you or anyone on your team can reuse it in the future. Staying in the View tab, go to Themes and click Save Current Theme. Choose where you want to save the file, maybe on your desktop or in a shared folder, and Power BI will export all your theme settings as a JSON file. It might just look like a text file, but it actually contains all those color, font, and style choices in a way that Power BI can read and apply automatically. This means you have a portable theme that you can use for other reports, or even share with a teammate who wants to follow the same design standards. Now, suppose you want to use that JSON theme in a different report, or maybe send it to a colleague. Here, how you bring it back in, go to the View tab again and this time select Browse for Themes. Find your JSON file and open it. Instantly, Power BI applies your custom theme to the current report. No need to redo all those settings. It's a huge time saver and a great way to make sure all your reports look consistent. So why bother with JSON themes at all? Well, having a custom theme ensures that all your Power BI reports have a unified look and feel, which is especially useful if you're working as part of a team or creating multiple dashboards for an organization. Plus, using easy-to-import JSON files gives you flexibility to adjust or expand your themes beyond what the standard UI allows. It's a small investment in time that pays off big in clarity and professionalism. And that's it. You've now got the tools to customize, save, and share your own Power BI themes like a pro. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips like this. Don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials and data design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.